Hey there. So hopefully I caught your attention with my pelvis. So trusty old pelvis here. My name is Corey McDougald and I'm a postnatal fitness specialist and strength and conditioning coach for moms. And the When We guide is a guide all about reclaiming your core and pelvic floor health. Now that I caught your attention with my pelvis, I'm going to put it away for a while, although we are going to talk about it just a little bit. So we are launching a free 4-week guide to help you restore your core and pelvic health function. So just to give you a little background, last January I had a C-section, and before that I did 20 years worth of Olympic weightlifting and lots of CrossFit. And I just did not feel like myself. There was a lot of things that were going on, not necessarily like all the postpartum symptoms, but had a lot of symptoms of like prolapse, and my diastasis wasn't completely healed. Little bit of low back pain here and there. Fortunately, I didn't have the incontinence with that, but a lot of moms have that as well. So we created this guide with pelvic floor physical therapists here in Kansas City, some of my favorites, to create like a place for you to get from point A to point B. So if you are just postnatal and you're like, hey, I really want to get back to lifting, or hey, I really want to get into CrossFit again, my body is not the same. First of all, that's totally normal. And second of all, it's not normal. It's common, but it's not normal, right? So it's normal to feel that way, but there are things that you can do to hopefully help you get better. So the first thing is that I would recommend going to see a pelvic floor physical therapist, because they can really dial in specifically for you an individual program. But if you don't want to do that and you want to say, hey, I think maybe I can rehab on my own, here's a program that I used personally to get back to lifting, to feel like myself. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna launch this on Monday, April 9th. So you just have to sign up for our email list before Monday, April 9th. We'll launch the video or the guide for you. And then you have to commit to doing 4 little tiny workouts, so to speak, for your core and pelvic floor for 4 weeks. And then we're going to reassess and see how you feel after that. The goal is that after you do this, you feel like you could potentially lift again, or maybe get back to CrossFit. We have got 2 essentials programs. One is just coming out for CrossFit, and we already have a barbell weightlifting one for moms, but ideally you would do this program first. So we're throwing it out there. All you have to do is sign up for our email list. Then you'll get it on Monday, April 9th. So the reason we created this, there's a few different reasons. One, if you want to stop leaking during your workouts, if you do not want pain and pelvic floor dysfunction while you're lifting, and this can even happen before you had a baby. I had a lot of pelvic floor dysfunction when I was lifting before, and I just never took care of it. So there's really no better time than just to start getting after it. I wish I would have done it a lot sooner, but it took a baby to make that happen, unfortunately. Back pain, we're trying to help with back pain, engaging the core and floor correctly, and then breathing properly and managing your abdominal pressure. So what we need to do is we need to learn how to do this first and then start implementing it into our everyday lifting. So if you can commit to 4 weeks of 4 workouts, and it's very simple, like 15 minutes or less, to start feeling better, sign up for our email list and you will get the guide. So we're gonna check in with you every Monday and just kind of ask how your workouts went and how you're feeling. Like, are you feeling any progress? Are you having trouble? So your homework is basically read the guide, start doing the exercises, check in with us, and then you have the option to join our Strong Moms Barbell closed Facebook group, which is a like-minded community of moms, and they've been through all of this, so they're here to help you answer questions. Along with us as coaches, we can coach technique and anything you guys might be interested in. And then if you complete the 4 weeks, you have a chance to win a free Strong Moms tank top. So here's the deal. Go ahead and sign up and let me know if you have questions. We'll be so happy that you've signed up, and just watch for it in your email inbox, and we'll get started. It's gonna be awesome. I'm so excited for you all. I've been there before and I know how uncomfortable it is, so now is the chance to be around women who have done it and who want to help you the best that we can get stronger, not only physically but mentally, emotionally, feel one with your body again. 100%, that is kind of my life's goal and life's purpose right now, is to help as many women as possible do that. So don't be a stranger. Sign up for the email list and we will get it to you on Monday, April 9th. Thank you.